Thomas McCall. I'm the owner of Countrywood Furniture and we are based in Pinetown. We make furniture for anybody and everybody. People have got their own ideas of what they want in furniture and we try to achieve whatever people want. I've been doing woodwork all my life. At Countrywoods we pride ourselves in producing excellent work. We try to make everything to the best of our ability. We don't cut corners. We use quality material. We are passionate about good, solid workmanship. We like to build family heirlooms, not just furniture. We want people, their children's children, to sit back and say, gee, I inherited this from my grandmother. Because the craftsmanship must be more than just up to scratch. It's got to be excellent. We do a variety of work here, from chairs, tables, benches, cupboards, dressing tables. We are very meticulous in our work at Countrywood and we strive to get perfection in everything. We've done a lot of furniture repairs. We can repair anything from a chair to a dining room table. I've repaired patio furniture before. We can make patio furniture. Customer service and care are very important to us. We basically cover Pinetown Highway area and Durban, but we've also done work up the north coast, down the south coast, and even as far as Pietermaritzburg. We are easily contactable on my cell phone 083 659 2665 or on our web page.